Roast potatoes is one of my favorite side dishes, and they're perfect alongside roast chicken. I can't stand it when they're soggy or bland, so let's learn how to make sure that never happens again. Welcome to Cooking with AI, where we show you how to use the latest AI tools as your ultimate kitchen companion. Whether it's perfecting a classic or creating something new, AI can help you cook smarter, not harder. Today, we are moving on to perfect roast potatoes with a few flavor variations. I like to use my recipe prompt formula to get the most out of AI. That is, 1, set the scene, describe the recipe in your style. 2, assign the role, tell AI who it's supposed to be. 3, give the task, be really clear on the improvement or customization of the mod. And 4, specify the output. Say exactly how you want it to be presented. So for this video, here's the prompt I used. 1, set the scene. I want to make amazing roast potatoes that will impress my guests. I love them to be fluffy inside and crispy on the outside. 2, assign the role. You're an accomplished chef who specializes in perfect roast potatoes. Maybe you're famous for them, I don't know. 3, give the task, create a recipe for maximum crunch while keeping a fluffy center. And 4, specify the output, present the recipe and ingredients with numbered, easy to follow steps. Let's get ChatGPT to work. Straight away, ChatGPT is spitting out a recipe. It's telling us which potatoes to use. It's suggesting some duck fat, goose fat, neutral oil, some great suggestions here around flavor profiles. It's suggesting we parboil them in salted water to start with a little baking soda. This is a really great start, preheating the fat, coating with the fat to roast. So I really love that. But here's where the AI really shines, and we can make this recipe into something really special. I'm going to add a few more prompts, and the first one is that I love the taste of rosemary and garlic. How could I bring in these flavors? So straight away, now ChatGPT is giving us a garlic and rosemary infusion strategy. It's telling us we could flavor the fat first. We could boost with a little extra rosemary midway. So you can see there's some great ideas around improving the recipe even more. But what if we want to try something new and different? Here is another prompt where we are asking ChatGPT to give us a more unique flavor profile. Here we're asking to provide some suggestions for some interesting flavors that I might not have thought about. Let's see what it comes back with. Cumin, coriander, and citrus dressed, Moroccan inspired. Miso, sesame, and scallion. Wow, that's something different. Parmesan, truffle, and thyme. Za'atar and preserved lemon. That sounds really interesting to me. I love those Middle Eastern flavors. Harissa and honey. Again, this is another really interesting take on roast potatoes. Sichuan pepper and ginger. Well, I had never thought of doing that. Or anchovy, garlic, and lemon. So here we have some alternative ways that we could flavor the potatoes. The last thing I'm going to remind ChatGPT is that I like my potatoes extra crunchy. So what can I do to enhance that crunch? This is my final prompt. And I'm going to put that in, and it's going to come back with some suggestions about shatter level crunch. So these are all awesome techniques that you can use to ensure that your potatoes are the crispiest potatoes that your guests have ever had. So now we've got crispy golden perfection, all tailored by AI, with a whole host of variations and flavors that you could try with your next potato recipe. Try this out. See how you go. Let me know what your favorite is in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to cook smarter with AI.